In this video, I want to show you how to share a printer on your Mac computer. This printer doesn't have Wi-Fi, but when I connect it to my Mac using a USB cable, I'm able to print with my phone using Wi-Fi because everything that you send with the smartphone or another computer will go through this Mac using Wi-Fi and will get printed. So how do you do this? Well, it's very easy. Once you have connected the printer, you're going to go on the top left corner. You're going to click on System Settings. Then over here, you're going to go all the way down in the left side menu, and you're going to select Printers and Scanners. Now, these are all my printers. You need to find the printer you want to share. This is mine right over here. If you do not see your printer in this list, simply go all the way down and select Add Printer to add it. Once you see it, click on it. And right over here, you're going to see Share this printer on the network. Make sure you turn this on. So click on this small toggle. You can also click on Open Sharing Settings afterwards. Make sure it has a check mark beside the printer you want to share. And also over here, very important, make sure it says everyone can print. By default, it's no access. You need to switch to can print and press done. You may have to enter the username and the password of the administrator of the Mac to register the change you just made.